Hello guys, my name is Silas. Welcome to my channel SBRC Infosys Nepal. Today in this video I will show you one application which is so useful application. You can use this application to control one computer to another computer. This application used for remote to control one computer to another computer. Okay guys, this application name is Anydesk. Okay, I will show you how to download this application and how to install and use. How to use, I'm going to practically use and I will show you. Okay guys, let's we are going to on our desktop. Guys, I have two computer. Okay guys, now I have two computers, one desktop computer. This is my first computer, which is desktop, and I have another computer, which is laptops. I have this is laptops. I'm going to control one computer to next computer. First of all, I don't have any Anydesk software in my laptops. I'm going to download. Look here how to download. You can open any browser, then you can type here Anydesk. Only you can type Anydesk download. Okay, then click here. After that, click on download now. Okay guys, I'm going to two times. Oh, here is downloading is there is two times downloading, one is cancelled. Okay, download 1 minute left. It takes some times. I'm going to show you next computer. Next computer is there. Okay guys, okay guys, and download is successfully completed. You can look here. I'm going to show in folder. There is my Anydesk application. I'm going to install this application. You can double click in this application. I'm going to minimize this browser, this also. Okay, there is I'm going to enable now. Okay, allow firewall security. Install Anydesk on this computer. Accept and install. Do you want to make devices? Get it start. Okay, Anydesk is successfully installed. I'm going to close this. There is in desktop I have Anydesk application. When I double click this, open the Anydesk. Okay, if you control to one computer to another computer, first of all you should have installed this application in both computers. I have installed this application in my both computers laptops, and also I have this applications on this here is another computer. Here is also Anydesk. Uh, Remote text you can enter here. Next computer's ID. Here is next computer ID is 477787255. Okay, I'm going to click here, type here. um, how 477785255. Okay guys, then click OK. Here is, please wait for the remote site to accept a section's request. This computer is request to this computer. Here is guides. Here is computer is, when I accept it, okay, then you can fully control from here. When I operate here, you can hear this. And you can full screen by this icon, then go full screen mode, here and here. I'm bring this laptops in here to this guys, this I'm going to operate this. Okay, and anything's open in both side. There is guys. It's you can use this application. It's not necessary to same network. Just you have internet access. I have one brothers who is lives in USA. I have support to him from this application Anydesk, because he has some technical issues in her in his laptops. In this way guys, you can operate this application. I hope you guys you understand and you enjoy this video. If this video will helpful for you, please comment below. And my channel name is SBRC Nepal. I'm going to close this. Okay, my channel name is, type here SBRC INFOS Infosys, SBRC Infosys. This is my channel guys. You can subscribe this channel. Okay guys, hope you you enjoy this video. Guys, bye bye.